Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer and I'm coming to you from Children's Museum Houston once again, and today I am joined by two friends here. How are you both doing today?
Good.
Good. I am also doing well. So I have Lily here. Lily, you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Now Lily, I understand you just had a birthday.
Yes.
How old are you now?
10.
10 years old, and happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. And I also have Macy. Macy can say hi as well.
Hi everybody.
And Macy, how old are you?
8.
You're 8 years old. Now, Macy, I have a question for you. Do you have a favorite shape? Like a circle or a square? A diamond. Yeah, it's a very good shape. I have kind of like a diamond shape here, right? Because, I mean, it's a square, but if I turn it to the side, then we have a diamond, so that's exciting. How about you, Lily? Do you have a favorite shape?
Stars.
A star. Oh, well, that is a wonderful coincidence because today we are actually going to be creating stars. So it's going to work out, and we're going to make them out of diamonds. This is what I call a win-win. All right, we are going to actually show you all how to make Star Festival streamers. And the way we're going to make these Star Festival streamers is by doing a little bit of origami, which is the art of paper folding. So for our friends doing this at the museum, we have wonderful materials, instructions, everything that you need available in our hallways. Now, if you come here and visit us at the museum, we have some origami paper available. We also have these beautiful streamers, in all sorts of different lovely colors. If you're doing this at home, all you need is 2 pieces of paper that are squares. So these are 6-inch squares that we're going to be using. You'll need a little bit of tape because we are going to need to tape these together to create our stars. And then we're also going to use a hole punch, but if you don't have that at home, you can actually just make little holes by like poking a toothpick through or something like that. And then you can either use ribbon or yarn or like tinsel, really just anything that's kind of colorful and that kind of flows like this here. So are you all ready? Or some paper, yeah. You can make these full-on paper streamers. That'd be pretty cool. And you could even crumple it up, crumple it up, or crimp it. Crumble. There we go. All right, we got this. All right. So first step, we're going to show you how to do the origami star. This can be a little bit confusing, so to help you out, if you go down under the comments section of the description section of this video, there's actually a downloadable version of this right here, and this has pictures that walk you through step by step how you need to make your origami stars. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and follow these here at the museum, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, we have 3 stars, 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, 6 stars if you count all of us. What? That's right. Or just, us here because we're cool, right? So our next step, now that our origami portion of our Star Festival streamers is done, is we're going to make our hole punches. We're going to punch 1 at the top, and then just take some ribbon or yarn or something that you can thread through that hole so that you can hang this, because this can be kind of a decoration piece. We're also going to punch 4 holes at the bottom, 2 on one side, 2 on the other, that we can use to actually have some streamers hanging off of it. Ready? With your ribbon, what you can do is you can take your ribbon and fold it in half, just like this. Take the folded end and poke it through one of the holes. Wait for it, there we go. Just like so. And then if you take the 2 other ends and feed them through this loop, and then pull, it holds it in place, and we actually end up with 2 streamers sticking out the bottom. So we're going to do this with all 4 of our holes, all 4 of our streamers, and we'll show you what they look like when they're done. And check it out! We are all done with our Star Festival streamers. Look at how beautiful they are. And you can hang them in a window. You can even put them outside so we get kind of like a windsock feel.
On a Christmas tree.
You could put them on a Christmas tree. You mentioned before if we had a longer rope, we could do what with them? We could wear them like a necklace, right? Now this one's a little short, so it would look like this.
If it's smaller,
not quite as fashionable.
If it's smaller, it can be like a bracelet.
Or a bracelet. All right, cool. So there are a lot of different ways that we can use these beautiful Star Festival streamers. And you can make as many as you want. It doesn't take a lot of materials to make. So ladies, thank you both very much for helping me show everybody how to make these Star Festival streamers. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Where are you going to hang these at home? What are you going to do with them?
In a room.
In your room? Awesome. That seems like a good place for them. Well, friends at home, I hope you have fun making your Star Festival streamers as well. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again soon. Can you say bye?
Bye.